Vlogmas day 1. Woohoo! Okay, so like you saw in my intro clip, I am going to try to do Vlogmas this year. It's something I've always wanted to do, and I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I've just been super busy, but I really want to make the time for it. I think it'll be fun, and it'll be a good thing for me to do. So yeah, today is November 30th, so I'm doing the whole where you vlog the day before and then post it the next day. And well, I guess that's what everyone's doing, but I'm starting on the 30th, so you'll have a video December 1st, which is the one that you're watching. Yay! And so I just wanted to let y'all know I do have work today. It is Friday, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to vlog, because like I've said, I can't really vlog when the kids are in the room, but I'll do my best to get some clips of things that I'm doing in the classroom. So I have my coffee this morning. You can see that this cup is very large. I have one of those every day when, well, not every day, most days when I go to work, definitely, and most of the time on the weekend as well. But yeah, so I'm just gonna drink that, and then I'm gonna head off to work, and then I'll probably catch y'all either on my way to work or in the classroom. I don't know. Either way, I'll catch y'all later. And I'm out of focus. Oh, here we go. Vlogmas. Starting off to a great start. Alright guys, so I'm gonna attempt my first time of filming in the car. Ooh. I have you down here by the, what I like to call the Prindle. I'm about to go order my smoothie, but I want to film it for you guys because I want to like get cool vlog shot, but I am nervous to vlog. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to film down here, but if the person notices at Smoothie King, I ain't doing it again.
Welcome to Smoothie King. What can I get blended for you?
Hi, can I have a 32-ounce vegan pineapple spinach?
Can I get you anything else, like raspberry or strawberry added to that?
Nope, that'll be it. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Oh, I got it. Oh, and you guys fell. I got it, and she didn't notice. Score! So I love that Smoothie King has like its own section for vegan smoothies, because I am vegan. For the most part. I mean, I still occasionally like slip up and have some dairy, because you know, like it's hard. There's so many things in this world now that like they put dairy in like anything, like literally anything. So quick, I wanted to do, while I'm on my way to work, I wanted to do a little like update on Mission Cruise Body. So obviously you know that the cruise was on the 16th if you had watched any of my previous videos, and on November 16th, and I did complete Mission Cruise Body. I just didn't have time to be filming every week. I actually signed up for a half marathon. One of my coworkers kind of convinced me to do it, but the cruise was so fun. I'm happy I went on it. But along the lines of like food wise, it was kind of tough. I mean, like I had to wait for a very long time to like get almond milk, and like they didn't have things like easily accessible like out for people like me. Like I had to ask people for it, and like I'm not the type of person to go up and be like, hey, to the beef burger guy, like, hey, is there a veggie burger option? I just see beef burger and I'm gonna move on. But apparently I guess I could have asked for a veggie burger, because when we got on to Coco Cay, which is like the island that Royal Caribbean owns, they actually had a sign that said vegetarian burger options available upon request. And what we were told is that they bring everything onto the islands via the boat. So apparently they must have had these veggie burgers on the boat, so they could have made me one like on the boat, but I didn't see a sign or anything, so I didn't ask. Anyways, like the cruise was fun. I'm happy I went. And I now I know for next time, like, that I need to ask and just say, like, hey, is there any vegetarian or vegan options? So I'm almost at work now, so I'm gonna go ahead and check with y'all later. I'm gonna turn the camera off. All right, so I'm at school now. I just got into my classroom. So yesterday I got the chance to go watch another teacher in the district who actually does a flipped classroom as well. So I left the second half of the day and there was a sub, obviously. Funny, I guess it's not really funny. My class just doesn't do well if I'm not here. We do not have, I guess I should say, we don't have a good track record with subs. They just, for some reason, don't respect other adults. I even have trouble with them sometimes. I mean, I have reports on my board right now. It says the majority of the class doesn't listen. They can't hear me give instructions because they do not stop talking and playing. I mean, this is something that is very frustrating for me to come in and see. Hey guys, so I just got back from work. It's about like 4:45ish, but I wanted to come on and just say today was a crazy day. I had a student in my classroom for in-school suspension. We call it OFI, opportunity for improvement, and so I had an extra student all day, which was fun. Sarcastic if you didn't catch that. So that, on top of getting a sub note from yesterday that was not the best, it was just one of those days. So I apologize that this video is pretty short and does not have a lot to it, but I am going to plan more, like, better content videos for the future, so look out for those. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here for today. I'll catch y'all in tomorrow's video. I think I'm going Christmas shopping tomorrow, so that'll be fun. Alright, catch y'all in Vlogmas day 2. Good night, Vlogmas at day 1.